Good day everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how you can add content from another website here in Google Sites. Now before starting, if you're not familiar with the whole interface of Google Sites, you're a beginner or even if you're a first timer in using this software, do not worry because I got you covered as I will be here to guide you and show you the step-by-step process and how you can do this thing. Now if you're interested in watching, we actually have a dedicated video that covers all the basic features and functions of this software, so you might want to check it out on our YouTube channel, which is this one right over here. You can have the username right over here. Now, just to give us a bit of a background, Google Site is a free website or a free web-based tool that is used to create websites and is ideal for both professional and personal use. Now, just like what I've said in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can easily add contents from another website directly to your Google Sites website, just like this. Now, as you can see right here, I have an article that I can browse right here. I can directly browse it in the preview of my computer. Now, adding a website or a content from another website is actually quite simple. All you have to do is to head over to the article that you want to copy and insert its contents to on your website, get its link right here, copy it, and now right here you want to focus on the right sidebar of your screen, click on embed right here, and now as you can see we got embedded code, which we already talked about on how you can easily add audio contents and video contents via embedding, which is already in our dedicated video playlist that compiles all the Google Sites tutorial on our YouTube channel. But in this video, we're going to be focusing on by URL because we have copied a URL and not an HTML code. So in by URL, you want to paste the URL that you just copied, and as you can see, you got two options. Now for some instances, this whole page is not available, and you only have the preview option. So it really depends on the article that you are trying to paste. But for some articles like this one that I have got from Google, it has both options in which you can have only a preview of it. So this is only static. So as you can see, if I preview on it, I really can't scroll on it. I can just click on it so that it will redirect me to this website, and I cannot manipulate on it. I cannot scroll on it, and many more. Now, if I wanted to have a whole page, I can select this one and click on insert. And as you can see, I have the whole page of the contents from the code of the source, which is this page right over here. And if I preview, as you can see right here, I have the whole page. I have an access to the whole page of the website. I can directly scroll on it. I can search on it, on basically all the functions that is present in this source code will be uploaded in this specific website that we have just created. So it's pretty useful. It's really great to have this one, especially if you want to cite a website and you want to add the whole page on it and make it accessible. Now, I'm just going to repeat, this is not applicable to all of the websites out there. There are just certain websites that allows, or that Google Site allows, to have an access to the whole page. Now, as simple as that, you can easily add a content from another website to your Google Site website. Now, if you did learn something in this video, please consider subscribing, dropping a like, and hitting that notification bell, and leave a comment down below in which you would like to see from us next. And I'll take it from here, guys. Thank you for watching once again, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.